Hi guys, my name is Mary Shelley and I work for the City of Porte Parks and Recreation Department as a Recreation Center Specialist. And today we're going to be showing you guys how to make pizza crescents at home. And hopefully you might have a lot of these ingredients at home. We're trying to do something simple, quick, easy, and that tastes really good. So I'm going to go over the list of ingredients right now with you. So we have a can of the crescent dough. We have some olive oil. We have spray, but you can also use the olive oil. Yeah, you can. We have oregano. We have mozzarella cheese sticks. We have pepperoni. I have turkey, but you can use whatever kind of pepperoni that makes you happy. And then we have some marinara sauce for dipping. And those are gonna be the ingredients that we use for today. All right, guys, so now we have our mozzarella cheese sticks. So we're gonna take all of them out of the packages, set them on a cutting board, and we are gonna cut them with a knife. So if you are a younger kiddo, please be careful in using the knife and possibly have your mom or dad or adult with you just to make sure you're safe. So we're gonna cut these in half. Take our knife and cut them in fours just like that. All right, so now we have our crescent dough. And so this is the fun part. We're gonna open the package and we're going to gently tap it or maybe kind of just bust it. And hey, it opened on the first try, let's go. So we are going to make 4 at a time. So we're gonna take our dough and it's all in little triangles. And we have our little pan here. All right, so we have our crescent dough and it just comes in triangles. So we're gonna lay out 4 pieces of dough in our pan and it comes already pre-cut. So all you have to do is peel it off. Easy does it. All right, so next we're gonna add our pepperoni. So we have our dough already laid down. So we're gonna take our pepperoni and completely cover each piece of dough with your pepperonis. Just like so, we're gonna put it all the way down. And if you really like pepperoni, you can go ahead and make it double, triple, whatever kind of pepperoni you're going for. We are just gonna get this laid down and get the entire piece of dough covered. Okay, for the next step, we're gonna take our mozzarella cheese and we're gonna place it on the larger part of the dough. And so from that, we're going to roll and make sure to tuck those pepperoni pieces in there so they don't get lost. Whoop. And just like so, this is what it's gonna look like. You're gonna have some pepperoni pieces poking out, but that's good. That just means there's more pepperoni and it's gonna taste that much better. So put the cheese, tuck, and roll. All right guys, so we're gonna preheat our oven to 350. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit that, and then we're gonna make sure our temp's at 350. We're at 350, let it preheat, and then once we get done with our pizza rolls, we're gonna let those set in there for 15 minutes or until they're golden brown. All right, our next step is to spray these with olive oil spray, or you can use olive oil and brush them. So we're gonna coat them with olive oil, and then we're gonna take our oregano and we're gonna sprinkle it on top of each crescent roll. Just a little bit. All right, so now that we have our pizza crescents assembled, it's time to put them in the oven. So we're gonna throw them in here, remember at 350 for 15 minutes or until they're golden brown.